Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand that's by the brand called RAVPower. And you guys remember I reviewed a lot of products by this brand, and this one is just another amazing product that's by the brand called RAVPower. So pretty much what it is right here, it is a camera battery that you can use for pretty much any of the Sony A series cameras. Because when you guys buy cameras, they only come with one battery and a charger. But sometimes if you guys need more, they don't provide you more because you have to buy more. So in this case, RAVPower actually made this cool product right here where you can actually buy a charger that you guys can charge the battery. But on top of that, they give you 2 extra batteries to use. So enough talking, let's actually open up and show you guys what I mean and what comes inside the package first before we talk more about the product. So when you guys open the package, you guys can see that they have an instruction guide, a manual on how to set up the product and how to use it right there. And then right here, you guys can see they have all the other stuff on here as well. So they have the battery charger, and the wire right here. So let me actually open each one and show you guys what it is and how it looks like. So pretty much they provide you 2 of these batteries that fit like Sony A6000 cameras and etc. etc. So let me focus it for you guys. So right there, and then the back, you guys can see that's what it looks like. And there's 2 of these in here. Alright, so there you go, 2 batteries. And then they provide you this charger for the battery to plug it onto here. You guys can see, very nice little logo right there. Has the signal to show you guys when it's charging on. Looking on the top, you have a micro USB slot to actually charge the product in order for it to charge the battery. And then to provide you a micro USB to USB cable to actually power up the device. So now that we show you guys everything that's in the product, now let's actually go test it out and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the RAVPower battery charger with your Sony A6000 and etc. Series. But pretty much right here is the battery, as you can see. So red means that it is not fully charged. Let me turn off the light. So that's red, and it's green because there's nothing here yet. So I'm gonna put this part in as well. Clip those both in, and it's red. So once it fully charges, then they'll turn green, and that's how you guys know it's ready to use. And these last quite some time on the Sony cameras as well, so that's pretty nice, especially since this is a RAVPower brand. They make a lot of good products. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that actually works really well, really easy to use. And this is really cool because RAVPower products actually last longer and actually works better than a lot of other products out there in the market, which is really nice. So this is like perfect for those of you guys who use Sony cameras and whatnot. So then that way you guys can actually have multiple battery, and it's so compact that you guys can just bring this anywhere to travel and to charge a product on the go and whatnot, which is really cool. Maybe use this with their power banks as well. Like if you guys remember, I have their solar power bank as well. They guys can actually just use that to plug and charge this while you guys are charging the battery to use it for a camera or whatever. But pretty much now that we saw the test of the product, would I say that this product is actually worth it or not? So this product costs $36, and for that price range, I have to say that it's actually quite worth it because of everything that you're getting out of it. The quality, the product, the battery, the extra battery, and then how compact and portable the product is. So the only way for me to actually find out whether or not it's actually worth it though is to wait for my camera to come and actually test out the battery. So once I come, I'll actually test it out and redo a test and show you guys how it works and when it actually works. But if you guys don't need it, don't want one, or just don't have no use for it, then obviously don't buy it, and this is probably a useless video for you guys and don't need to watch it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback on the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have